Go to TradingView and open any chart you like. I'm opening BTCUSD chart. Go to down panel and left. Here, choose paper trading as your broker. Click Connect. Your account has been made. Click Settings to customize. Here you can set the trading amount and leverage. I prefer to set as much as I will really use when I do real trading. Open settings again and tick the futures and options option. You can set commission as well. Now your ace is set, you can trade. Here, example. Go to description to start now. Subscribe if found this useful.